Alright. Fun never ends for me.
Came back, thought she was a goner, but the bitch came back. She couldn't stay away. Don't you know the bitch came
The old man picked this up today. A little compressor for his mini garage at the cabin. And I guess whatever is left to assemble on it, I'll put together here. Alright. Instruction manual. Goddamn skeeters. Son of a bitch. There's the parts for the wheels. Air filter for it. And some screws. I'm assuming it's for the handles. Set that there for now. I'm gonna freak out with mosquitoes. They keep biting me. Damn. Gotcha, son of a bitch. Anyways, some oil for it and the cord. Got my little side cutters here. Snip. Being I just tipped the box upside down to get the compressor out. Figured I'd mount the wheels real quick. Being it holds it pretty good, being like that. Let's get this bastard flipped around. If I can get my camera to sit level. Really? Really? Sit, stay, thank you. Bastard. Alright, let's try this. I guess let's not. Sit, stay. Can you guys see anything? Yep. Alright. Get the wheels on. This plastic tape here. Bastard flipped over. Pretty. I'll bring. Alright, I looked at the instructions for 2 seconds. It says open valve in the bottom of the tank and then crank the regulator up clockwise as far as it'll go. And once it's filled with oil, which I already filled it, see, we got oil. Says let it run for 10 minutes. Let her buck for 10 minutes, break in the pump. So flip the switch and see if this Chinese junk works. Beautiful. Alright, let it run its 10 minutes for break-in time. You can see everything's at 0. Let's see how long this sucker takes to pump up. A little bit over 2 minutes. Not too shabby. It's just for airing up the occasion flat tire at the cabin or whatever. It's a little cheapy. It's on sale for $100. Good enough for airing up tires and little odds and ends. I wonder if I got something that'll fit that coupler. Hang on. Alright, I know it's not meant for this, but see how long it will run this thing, if it will run it. It's not meant to run a tool like that, but for what it's going to be used for, it's perfect. So I'll catch y'all later. Bye.